Today we are in Waimama meeting David and Lori.
It's a great location. It's kind of central to everything, not too far from Tampa, not far from St. Pete.
David and Lori,
How you doing?
thanks for having us at your brand new lot. It's gorgeous.
We're so excited.
Kind of give us a little bit of insight of what your current house is like and what are some things that you'd like to see different in this new home?
Right now our house is 2 stories, which we don't want. We don't utilize the second floor at all.
No, we got 3,700 square feet currently.
Wow, that's
Whoa.
big.
Yeah.
But we're only using one level, so we were living in 1,800 square feet.
How many bedrooms are you guys kind of thinking?
We want to do like 4 bedroom, 3 bath.
Office. We
Office,
both work
yeah.
from home. And then also media room. I'm a big media guy and I like to watch my sports games.
Okay. We have a little dog family, so we like to be outside, want to be able to hang out with the dogs. But right now we don't have a backyard, so we definitely want a big fenced in area for them to run around.
I think this is going to be a really unique opportunity to make the house functional for the humans and the pets. What do you think in regards to the style of the home?
Well, my style is like a coastal kind of farmhouse vibe. I like bright colors, bright lights. Lighting is super important in our house. I'm a blogger full time, so I have a lot of products I have to shoot in the house. And right now our house is so dark. It's miserable. I have to have like 12 ring lights all around.
Wow.
So yeah, that's a huge deal.
Okay, and what about David? He actually is like being really quiet right now.
So I've always been like blacks and whites. I've lived the bachelor style as a whole, but Lori's, pushing on me for a lot of colors. So we butt heads a little bit.
So obviously that's gonna be something that during the process, we're gonna have to find a middle ground for you guys. So we'll be meeting up for inspiration tours. I'm sure there's a budget. So what are we working with for this dream home?
At 640,000.
Okay, at the reveal, we'll have them reunited again.
All 9 dogs.
So
yes,
that
I'm
is
so excited for that.
Well, hey, let's get off this lot so we can start the process.
All right, so Lori and David, I will be honest, I've never had a client with this many dogs. I feel like everything in your house has to be extremely durable.
Yes, yes.
It's gonna be helpful if you see something, you like it, let me know because that's gonna make it a little bit easier to get this house done in 100 days.
Sounds good to me.
Perfect.
All right, so I wanted to start with this house. I know you guys don't want 2-story, but it has almost like a coastal vibe as far as the color palette.
Yeah, definitely. I love that color. The grays and the
Coastal.
blues and coastal vibe, yeah.
I like the stone as well.
Yeah.
Ooh, all right, a lot
Yeah.
of positives on this one already.
Yes, love it.
Okay, so first impressions, when you walk into this house, what do you feel?
I feel closed in.
Yes. We want more like an open floor plan.
You guys want to be able to walk right in
Yeah.
to your livable space.
Yeah, definitely.
There's a pretty nice sized office right off the entryway.
Oh, I do like this. I feel like it's a good size. I don't know about it being in the front of the house though.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What are your thoughts there then?
I think more in the back because we're on conference calls all the time. So if people come in the house, it doesn't disrupt that.
Okay, so layout wise, privacy is important for you in the
Yes,
office.
definitely, definitely.
Now let's go look at a house that has more of an open layout, which is what you're looking for. This has kind of that open concept, right? You've got your kitchen space, your dining area, your great room.
I mean, I like the layout, but I feel like it's very small and condensed.
Okay. Give me kind of an idea of like the kitchen space and what you're gonna be doing in there, cooking, or if you guys host a lot.
I'm not a cooker.
What are your thoughts there? I know you said you kind of liked a little bit lighter finishes, so I wanted to kind of bring you to something so you can get an idea.
Yeah, I like it. It has to be light and bright, especially for all the photos and things I have to do with blogging.
I know. But I mean, I like my darks all the way through. It makes me feel warm and cozy at home.
I just love bright. He's more of the dark. We're gonna have to figure that out because that's like a make or break for me. It has to be light and bright.
Hey guys!
Hi!
Ooh, we got a fur present!
Oh my gosh. Hey guys, what are their
What do we
names?
have here?
This is Daisy.
Daisy.
What's going on,
Daisy,
buddy?
come here. We're gonna get down to business.
So the first thing that we're gonna see is the outside of the house. On the exterior, we're gonna do a lot of texture with some stucco on most of the house, but then along the bottom, we're gonna do some cut stone to really make the outside pop.
Beautiful.
Oh, she's taking her sunglasses off.
Yeah, you gotta get a closer look.
Now you can see.
Why don't we head to the inside? Right when you walk in through the front entryway, you're gonna see a nice open concept. You have a really nice sized great room. So, I mean, with 9 dogs running around, plus you guys, you should be
Oh
good.
my gosh, I'm
Love
so
that.
excited.
We're gonna do an electric fireplace to anchor in that great room.
Yeah, I like that. I'm all about the holidays, so that would be
Yes.
like great for decorating and things like
I can
that.
just envision all 9 dogs' stockings
We
hanging
have
up.
9 stockings, so
I love
Yes?
we're those
Yes.
people. Yes.
I love that. So fireplace is a win. And then you have this wall of sliding doors that will open into your beautiful lanai and let a lot of natural light in.
Awesome.
To the left is an amazing kitchen with your island as well as a breakfast nook.
We have 3 bedrooms on the left side of the house. Plus, you need an office because you both work from home. So
Perfect.
the office is tucked away towards the back of the house.
The last 2 rooms to talk about are the media room, which you can watch all your sports and movies. Then on the right side is the main bedroom and your main bathroom.
We fit in a nice size walk-in shower, but you also have a soaking tub.
Awesome.
So this is a lot of house. You have your 4 bedrooms, you got 3.5 bathrooms, 3,100 square feet.
Kept the house within your budget of $640,000.
Oh, thank you.
Things are moving really quick. This is the final windowsill on the house here. You know, I was just thinking about it. Are we building a house for Lori and David or the dogs? In which case, this will be the largest dog house I've ever built in my entire life.
What's up? Brought you a present.
What?
Well, we went a little ahead to look at some designs. I mean, we're just excited. We were out shopping and we saw this backsplash and we were super excited because we both loved it and hopefully Mika will too.
Yes, let's check it out.
Yeah. I feel like it's gonna help us pick the cabinet colors and all that.
Ooh, I like this. Love it. We are definitely making some selections in the kitchen space today. Now that we have this can kind of be our anchor.
Awesome.
I think during the inspiration tours, you guys were kind of opposites on what you liked.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe have it where the island could be black, and then if you want, the main cabinets can be lighter. So the island stands out. It's, you know, intentional that that's your focal point.
Yeah.
And both colors look good with the backsplash.
Yeah, I like that.
Okay, I'm good with that.
Ooh. I've obviously seen the blueprints. I knew that we were doing cathedral ceilings, but
Yeah.
when you walk in, it feels ginormous.
Massive. Yeah, and I like how the arches kind of define each space. So this arch kind of defines the foyer.
Yep.
This one defines the kitchen.
Just kind of gives it a little bit more like an elevated design aesthetic.
I'm very happy with the progress on this one so far. So we're meeting with David and Lori today. Before they get here, I have an idea for a special project.
Oh.
Let me show you.
Okay. So the halfway point is normally when we think of the special project because it's given us opportunity to work with our clients a little bit more, learn about their personalities.
I want to do their own dog park right in their own backyard with a splash pad. I'm thinking obstacle course, so all the dogs have to do is run through those sliding doors and boom, instant fun for the dogs.
But, you know, during the inspiration tours with David and Lori, from what they told me, the dogs are happy just running around and being outside. So this is all gonna be fenced in. I feel like they're already gonna have a dog park. The yard is the dog park. Let me just show you what I'm thinking
All right.
about and see what your thoughts are. Come
All
on. This is going to be a media room, right?
Okay, yeah.
Like, it's gonna get a heck of a lot of use because they love having game nights.
I can see it.
So I feel like this room could be elevated for the special project, like some stadium seating, little snack bar, big projector or a big, you know, TV screen in here. Actually make this feel kind of like a movie theater.
I can see it.
Nice.
Hey, Brian.
Hey, Walt.
How you doing?
Hey, so with 9 dogs,
Yeah.
are we calling today roofing or roofing?
Roofing.
Either way, hey, I'm gonna get the rest of the shingles up there. We'll be dried in by the end of today, and we will get the roof on.
Have fun.
You know, when you're building a house in Florida in 100 days or less, weather is always an issue. So the day we can put the roof on is always a good day because the weather doesn't matter as much anymore. Outside, the windows have been installed and the stucco is completely done. And on the inside, electrical and plumbing have been run and drywall is up. Looking good. And most importantly, the cabinets are going in today. All right, let's get this next one up. The company was able to expedite these black cabinets, so we only lost 1 day, and they were able to use the white cabinets for another order, so win-win all around. Hey, Mark, aren't you glad we're just installing cabinets today and not painting them as well?
Yes, sir. You know what a pain in the butt that would be to paint these?
Oh, I know. Having to tape all this off to try to make it look as good as the factory, it wouldn't
And
happen.
it wouldn't have happened.
Luckily, the factory was able to swap out the white ones for these black ones.
Yeah.
Watch these black cabinets. I'm really glad that David and Lori decided to switch from white cabinets to black cabinets because these look awesome and they're gonna look awesomer once the countertops go on top. All right. Nice.
Okay, boys. The darker finishes really look good in the space because it's a grand space with high ceilings. So it doesn't make it feel closed off. I think it just makes it a little bit more noticeable.
Piece by piece, David and Lori's dream home is coming together today. We just finished getting the floors installed. The backsplash is getting installed. I'm working on the special project of this movie theater. Here we go, this side. All right, sorry. You get the clear ones. Hey, I get the cool sunglass ones. Nice. There we go. Now that the doors are flipped, you can see how much more room we have inside this movie theater for stadium seating.
Boom! Like a glove.
Feels good.
It does, and it really elevates the space.
It does. I'm rubbing off on you. I like it. Plus, James and I are working on all the trim work. Looks good. Nail it. Adding the trim to these walls is fairly easy and inexpensive way to transform a room.
This movie theater is going to be so nice. I feel like David and Lori can charge admission.
Coming through.
Oh my goodness, today we have the full team at Lori and David's house because tomorrow is the big reveal.
Yeah, today's day 99, and tomorrow, Lori and David come home with their 9 dogs.
I'm like totally excited and freaked out. Like I have all these emotions right now.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Perfect timing. Mama, fireplace is here.
Oh, nice. Oh my goodness, thank you, Mr. Kevin, for saving the day.
Excited to have our furry family back all together so they can spend time with each other and go out and run and play.
I think I'm literally going to cry when I see them. I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh, Brian, be so careful because we could not afford for this one to break. Ooh.
Get this in place.
Ooh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Please tell me it works. Oh, yes. Gosh, got here just in the nick of time.
Here she is.
Oh my God, look at it.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the color.
This might be the closest we've ever cut it, Mika.
I don't like it, but
Here they
hey,
are pulling it right now.
we made it happen.
Oh my God, the landscaping.
Look at the stone.
Oh my God.
We can pull into our driveway.
I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed.
All right, here they are.
Ah!
David and Lori.
Hey, welcome on, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, it looks amazing. The colors, the blue, I love the blue. Look at the stone, it came out amazing.
Are you more excited to move into your dream home or be reunited with the dogs?
Honestly,
Probably with the dogs.
the dog.
Yeah?
Yes!
I figured.
That's like family. Tails better be wagging. That's
I
what I'm
know,
looking
they better
for.
be.
I bet you're ready to go through that front door.
You have no idea.
Yeah. Oh yeah, after
Let's
you.
go.
All right.
We're gonna follow the leader of the pack today.
Yes. The moment you've been waiting for.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, look.
Oh
Wow.
my God. The colors, everything. Oh my God. The cathedral. I don't even know. I'm like, what do you want to talk about first?
You like walking around in circles.
Oh gosh, it looks so good. And all the natural lighting, you guys did it.
Look at the fireplace.
It's stunning. Oh my gosh.
Well, I'm glad you like it because this is freshly installed within the last 15 or 20 minutes.
yeah.
Oh my
gosh.
I can't believe it.
I know, me neither.
I can't believe it.
Otherwise, Mika and I would have been standing here like this. So, how do you like your house? Look this way.
I love it. I love everything about it. Everything. It
Yes.
looks amazing.
And I like the dark shiplap.
There you
I
go.
think that it's like a rich tone that just
Yeah.
makes it feel like luxurious.
Yeah, and it brings the modern style in for him. So he's a happy camper, but
I'm
I am
very
too,
happy.
honestly.
Yes. What about that island? You think that's big enough for your
Amazing.
product display?
Yes, I love it. This is perfect with the natural lighting coming in, and I can do all my product shots here.
Are you glad you made a decision to switch from white cabinets to black cabinets?
So happy. It looks so good. I feel like it
goodness.
ties with the fireplace. It brings kind of
So
everything
what you're
together.
saying is the darker colors inside our home was
Ooh.
right?
Oh,
That's what you heard?
This is not the time for shade, okay?
Let's check out this backsplash.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Right?
I love it. It ties everything together. It is perfect. We did a good job.
Yes, right?
And you know what I love? You have a dining room table in the breakfast nook, but then the dogs also have their own dining room table down there.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, that's adorable.
Oh, you gotta check it out.
Oh, it's got their names on it. Oh my God, I love that.
I can't wait for them to use it.
So you got your open concept here, but there's sometimes where you want a little privacy and you're trying to get work done. So
Definitely.
tucked away a little further back, let's check out that office.
And it's just a short commute to work.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my God, it's so cool.
It looks amazing. Oh my gosh, for my videos in the background, love it. Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
I love it. It's so cool.
I'm never coming out.
I know you're not.
Oh my gosh.
So David, your parents have been watching your pups this entire time. I'm assuming they're gonna wanna come and visit you guys as kind of like a payment. So should we see where your parents are gonna be staying?
Yeah, definitely. Let's go see
Do it.
What we got over here?
A little
Oh my
dog
God,
spots. Look at this. You can put their toys and their biscuits.
Custom made for a dog.
Oh my gosh, and look at the leashes. This is perfect.
I love that because they're
I
always looking
love
for our
it.
leashes everywhere.
I love that.
So guest room, let's check this out.
Wow.
Like, look at this room.
The lighting in here is phenomenal. Oh my gosh.
love it.
They're gonna love it.
So now, off to the most important room of this house, the main suite.
All right, let's go. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Oh my God, look at the bathroom.
This is, oh my God,
Look at the shower.
Oh, it looks so good. I think we could all fit in here, definitely.
And the dogs.
Yeah.
This bathroom is nice and massive, and then we gotta check out this main bedroom.
Oh my God, look at this room.
It's like a dream. Oh my God. So look at the little dog beds.
Dog beds.
Even though they're probably gonna use those and also this.
Actually, I'll be the one probably sleeping in the dog bed. That's what's gonna
He's
happen.
not wrong.
We also gave you access out to your back porch and a view of your personal dog park.
It looks so good. I love it.
We knew how important it was for you guys to have a ton of space for the dogs to run. Should we check out the backyard?
Yes,
Oh my God,
I'm
let's
so
do it.
excited.
Let's
go.
Oh my God.
Wow. That looks so
Wow.
good.
We kept it nice and open, keep it simple, because they're just gonna wanna run around, be free, play.
I love that we can sit here and watch them.
And I think the best part about this is you wanted the massive sliders so you could let all 9 dogs out at once.
Let's check it out.
So here we go. So right now you can let 1 dog out,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4,
Yes.
5, 6, 7, 8. All 9 dogs out at the same time.
Come play.
There we go.
It looks so good. Wait to see them playing
So
back
open.
here.
They'll be more excited than we are.
I know.
You probably are noticing there was one room on your wish list that we have not seen yet.
We wanted to save the best for last. Let's call it the feature presentation.
Okay, all right, let's see
I'm
it.
ready.
Come on, follow me.
Brian, lead the way, lead the way.
Oh my God.
It's amazing.
Oh my God. How cool is
Oh my gosh.
colors, the chairs, everything with it.
Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed.
So
Football
cool.
season is not ready.
Oh, movies, here we go. Wow, Brian.
Try it out, go try it out.
But we also made sure we gave you carpet in here and curtains on that back wall for acoustics so there's no echo.
Love that.
Love it.
That's
Love
So
great.
it is soundproof in here.
Love it. Movie night.
So I do have a question. Who holds the remote in your family?
That one goes to me. Whoa. That's so cool.
I love it.
You've knocked it out of the park and you over-exceeded our expectations.
In this house, you have the 4 bedrooms, you've got your 3 bathrooms, you've got your office, your awesome fireplace, your media room.
We gave you all of that in 3,100 square feet in 100 days. And most importantly, because I know how expensive dog food is, we kept it in your budget of $640,000.
So I am just so excited to start our life here. Our whole family can finally be together.
We can't thank you guys enough for all the hard work that you guys put in on it.
Yeah, I know you guys are gonna enjoy this.
You look really comfortable, so we'll leave you to it.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
Can't believe that we got everything done in 100 days and Mika and Brian just killed it. Everything looked absolutely amazing.
It's kind of like a surreal moment.
Yay! Good boy! Yay! Good boy!